Hey guys, today on Bab and Beyond, we are assembling the E46 M3 engine on part 2 of the M3 build. Hope you enjoy. After the bottom end is assembled, we can start putting our pistons and rods into the block. Make sure our clearances are correct using plastic gauge to ensure that we have an adequate oil film for the bearings. We then use assembly lube to make sure there's no dry starts, and put the rest of the rods in the engine. We torque the caps using the special BMW procedure, and then we can proceed into making sure nothing binds or sticks by rotating the engine by hand. Then it's time for the head. Tightening the head down to the block in the correct order is crucial to getting good sealing. If you do it wrong, it could fail. Equally crucial is to tighten the cams down onto the head evenly. They're hollow and could snap. I use a paint pen on fasteners that I've tightened to make sure I don't miss any. The oil pump is then disassembled, inspected, and cleaned before being installed onto the engine with the oil pickups. Once all the accessories are on the engine, the transmission can be installed with a fresh clutch. Then the whole thing can be dropped into the car as one. This car was originally an SMG, and it's been converted to a manual. Now, I've retained the SMG gearbox by using a self-centering shifter. Adding a clutch pedal is easy as all the provisions are there. And once my timing tools came in, I was able to install the vanos and put on the valve cover. Then it was time for the first start. With a running engine, the rest of the car can now be put back together for its maiden voyage. And that marks the end of part 2 of this build lapse. Thanks for watching.